We are going to be looking at how you add and subtract complex numbers. Those are numbers that have some piece of it at least that's imaginary. And so we will do this first one together. Basically, it acts just like a variable. You can add and subtract anything that has like terms, and anything that has a variable, you add the coefficients, okay? So on this one, again, think about this 1 being in front of here. If you distribute that through, it doesn't change anything about the signs. A 1 right here, if you distribute that positive 1 through here, it doesn't change anything about that second parentheses, just so you know. And then you just want to basically combine your like terms. So I can take a 3 and a 2 and add it together to make 5. And I can take 5i and negative 4i to add that together to make positive 1i. And that's all I need to do. Okay, I'm going to let you try this one if you want to. You don't have to, but when you do, you should get 9 plus 5i. And then here, if you subtract these, again, I want you to think about a 1 in front of this, and if you distribute that through the parentheses, it does not change anything about the first parentheses. But on the second parentheses, if you put a 1, since this is a negative right here, and you distribute it through, that becomes negative 3 and positive 7i. And now if we combine our like terms, I can combine the 4 and the negative 3 to make 1, and the negative 6i and the positive 7i to make 1i. And then this one, if you would like to try it, is negative 2 plus 4i. I'm not going to take the time to do it right now.